Hello, the Greek myth this time is Theseus and the Minotaur. We did do it before in the lesson, but very briefly, and this time you have the audio version, which I like. I like Hermes narrating the story for you, and I found different activities for you. So we'll do that one again. It's Theseus and the Minotaur. So once you have listened to, before you listen to the audio, remember I always like you to print this out first so you can follow along to the 3 parts. Again, like I always tell you, break it up if you need to, if it's too long. Once you have listened to the whole thing, you're ready to do the comprehension. It does give you the story again, but it's a shorter version. So if you don't feel like reading that, you can just go straight into the questions. And you should know from the audio, you should be able to answer those, no problem. It does ask you to refer to the text in a few of the questions, so you will need to look at the text a few times. Then we have the word mat, as you always do, just to help you with your spellings. On a different day from doing those things, you can do this literacy pack. Now I'm saying on a different day because there are 4 or 5 things to do in this. It looks like you have the story again, but it isn't. It's asking you to retell the myth in your own words. And it does give you the key points down here in bullet points, but it's giving you all the instructions here. You can read it in more detail, but it wants you to give your own detail along with those main points. And as usual, I've included the template into all the attachments, so you can write it on that. Then when you flick over, once you've done that, it's asking you some questions. Not necessarily comprehension, more abstract questions, more open questions, where you really need to use your imagination. Okay, so have a look at those. That's the same. And then it goes into Theseus's diary, if I can open it. And yeah, that's the day that he kills the Minotaur, how he's feeling. Then you have a crossword, which I know you like, and of course the word search. It is a challenging one, that one. Just try your best. Then after that literacy pack, you can enjoy a less challenging word search. And that's it for that myth. Hope you enjoy it, and any questions, just email me. See you next time. Bye.